Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Node, JS, and a React app. Once done, install Firebase SDK, use the modular v9 package for smaller bundles. Then open the Firebase console and create a project. Enable the services you need, such as authentication or Firestore. Make sure to copy the Firebase config object from project settings. Next, create a local file src/Firebase. JS and paste the config. This begins the connection process and centralizes initialization for reuse across your components. Once you have src/Firebase, JS, initialize the app with initialize app Firebase config, and then create and export instances like getAuth, getFirestore, and getStorage. This modular approach reduces bundle size and clarifies dependencies. Next, in React, create a Firebase context or hook so you can provide these instances to components via context or props. This avoids repeated imports and keeps components testable. Make sure to handle environment variables for API key and project ID, so secrets stay out of source. To finish, wire up authentication and database calls from your components. Use sign in with pop-up or create user with email and password for auth, and get docs or setdoc for Firestore operations. Once your UI calls these methods, manage loading and errors so users see clear states. Make sure security rules match your access patterns. Rules that are too strict will block reads, and rules that are too open risk data leaks. If something fails, check console errors, verify Firebase config values, and confirm cores and enabled APIs. This usually resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.